For the Starlet. You see, me and RJ had to weld a patch panel in the bottom of the door because it was rusted out. We treated some of this pitted rust with some acid, stripped it to bare metal. It's got dings in it everywhere, so I'm going to have to wipe the whole thing with Bondo and cut the door bars out of it. And let's see, me and RJ welded this patch panel in down here, treated some more rust down here. I welded the plug holes where the door bars were, so anyway, had some rust up here strangely, but anyway, that's what I'm doing to the Minion right now, the Starlet.